key to keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and supervise those children because, well, clear. Your girl don't want to. Yeah, sure don't, sure don't. Make sure you wave goodbye to those people up on dock. Wave goodbye. Yep, you'll never see them again. Then again, you never saw them before, so, oh well. Well, hi guys, my name's Katrina, and I'll be your skipper today. I'll be your dance instructor, your snake charmer, your swimming instructor if you don't laugh at my jokes. Your friend, your pal, your confidant for the next few weeks. Yeah, you guys thought this was a 10-minute tour? Joke's on you. If I gotta suffer, you gotta suffer with me. Off we go into the Amazon Rainforest, where it rains about 365 days a year here. Whoa, that's like almost every day. Crazy, right? I know. Off ahead, we have our lovely Inspiration Falls. Yes, which I do hope it inspires you all to want to go deeper and deeper and, well, deeper into the jungle with me, as I have been and will be doing all day long. Yay! That wasn't a cry for help. I don't know what you're talking about. Not only did we change rivers, we also changed continents. How we did that? I don't know, but we did. Hey, looks like we're heading on over to the Congo River, so let's see how far we Congo, shall we? Yeah, sorry, jokes just get worse from here. So I decided to take you guys to our new little gift shop. Yep, boats and baits and bites. Check it out. You guys get a pair of paddles here, a pair of canoes, a pair of oars. I mean either or. It's gonna be a great deal. See what I did there? Either or. Good one, right? I know. Well, where'd everybody go? Man, I don't even see anybody. Canoe. Weird. Wonder where they could have gone to. Something must scared them off. Must have been really scary. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that, folks. That tree is not usually there. Hey, Monty. Yeah, Monty's our python. Hey, big fella. Good to see ya. And we'll go ahead and stop by Dr. Khan's campsite real quick. I forgot to get coffee this morning. You know, most important meal of the day. Yep. So I forgot about it. It was my bad. What are y'all looking at? No. Yeah, this is what happens when you leave your back door open in the jungle. Your relatives show up. Hey guys, great to see ya. Yeah, don't you just love it when they show up and they just won't leave? Yeah, me too. Looks like we're heading on over to the Nile River, which goes on for Niles. And Niles. And guess what? Niles. I know, shocker, right? Up ahead on our left, we have our lovely African bull elephant. Yep, he is actually the second most dangerous animal of the jungle. He sure is. The mighty pachyderm. And over here to the right, we have our first most dangerous animal of the jungle. His mother-in-law. Yep, looks like she's staying a while. She brought an extra truck. Great. And now, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. The celebrity of the hour, The Rock! Ta-da! Straight from the Jungle Cruise movie. Ooh, yes, he is one of our bolder attractions. We don't want to take him for granted. Yeah, sure would. Would you look at that? We made it to the African belt where all the animals have come together for a little party. How exciting. We have some zebra, some deer, some wildebeest, and you see those tall things in the back? Yep, those are trees. Yeah, sure are. Hey, kiddos, that zebra's sleeping, okay? Okay, yeah, definitely sleeping, because, you know, that's how they sleep. Yeah, with their feet in the air, surrounded by lions. Yeah, it makes sense if you don't think about it. Awkward laughter. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, this is what happens when you leave your other back door open in the jungle. Yep, I told these guys not to pick a fight with a rhino, because, well, they would get the point in the end. And now they'll, literally get the point in the end, won't they? But what's you rhino, right? I mean, honestly. Oh, wait a second, there's my friend Ina. Everybody say hi, Ina. Bye-bye, Ina. Good to see ya. No, look at me rhyming. Man, I haven't seen her in so long, like what, 10 minutes, give or take. Make sure to remain seated in our back pockets, okay? Yeah, no standing on the boats. Only crazy people stand up on boats. See what I mean? Up ahead, we have our lovely Schweitzer Falls. Yes, it is in fact named after the famous Dr. Albert. Falls. Yeah, I did that clearly. It's a stuff. Testing you guys. Yeah, you're so welcome. We'll take a little detour to the right here. Yeah, last time I went to the left, it was super scary. Or did I go to the right last time and it was super scary? Yeah, we went the wrong wrong way. Yeah, that was a bad. You know, last time I went the wrong way, I ran into some hippos. Yeah, nobody has any marbles, right? Because, well, these guys are hungry hippos. They will ask for them. Just say no, okay? Hey, guys, no marbles today. Oh, would you look at that? Empty pockets. Oh, what are you going to do? Oh, no. Oh, no. Yeah, I heard they capsized like 7 boats last week, and, well, 5 of them are mine. So what's that? More I have to look for now? You can see that easy. What? Half go to this jungle? Actually pretty easy to find. Yeah. Well, let me know if you see it. It's just got like a sore thumb. It's got some important crates on there that I kind of need back. Half a boat. Let me know, okay? Yeah, I gotta look around more often. Hey guys, what do you think you're doing? That's not your stuff, and that's my page. Hey, what are you even making? Is that supposed to be you? Okay, modern art. Never understand it. Whatever, go off. Okay. But I do think those crates back, if anybody sees those anywhere, yeah, they got in wrecked here somewhere. They must have washed ashore. I'm just not sure. So funny. Okay, focus. We gotta find those crates. They gotta be right here. Hey, go get those out of your mouth, you nasty. That's not where they go. Oh, I can't even look. He's got a mouth full. That is disgusting. Yeah, let me tell you, those butterflies, they are not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah, something overnight or something. Crazy. And now, it's the moment you're all waiting for. The beautiful, the amazing, the backside of water. Check it out. It is the eighth wonder of the world. I would know. I get to see it every day. Sure do. And looks like we're heading on over to the Mekong River, which is found deep in the heart of Cambodia. And if I know anything about the Mekong River, which I do, that is where the hidden temple will be. I just haven't quite found it yet, but oh, hey, I found it. What do you guys think? Should we go in? Yeah, I think so. Okay, good, because I can't turn this thing around. Sure can. Oh, what is this feeling? Oh, it's a immediate regret. Right. Okay, yep, you guys better watch out, and I'm gonna close my eyes. Coming out of their nose. It's not. And looks like we're heading back to civilization. I know, our week-long journey has come to an end in like 10 minutes. How did we do that? I don't know. But hey, no journey is complete without checking out Trader Sam's Lost and Found gift shop. Yeah, same thing. You guys can get a lot of different stuff here. Let's see, you get some stockings, some caps. Yep, buy one, get one cap. We are infamous for our cap sizes. I don't know why. Alright, looks like we're heading up to dock, so please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And once we get up to that dock, make sure you exit out the way you came in. I'm looking at you too. My friends over on this side, you guys would exit out that back door. My friends on this side, exit out that middle door, alright? Alright. You see these crates right here in the middle? Yeah, you don't want to cross over them, you don't want to go around them. Trust me, it's not a great idea. Yeah. Found out the other day it's a fire hazard, you know, because if you trip, you fall. I laugh. I get fired. You know what I mean? It's a little fire hazard, so don't do it. I will laugh at you. I don't have a filter. Sure don't. Make sure you get on the right side of the dock, not the left side, because, well, it's a paradox. It can get confusing. But you guys have been a great audience today. Just wonderful, amazing, fantastic, and outstanding, even. But now, I'm going to need you outstanding on that dock. And, well, I guess there's only one thing left to say after a trip like that. Get out. So watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails.